Hello students, today we are going to discuss about quadratic equation. So this is the new chapter. So already we have studied about the quadratic equation in our lower classes. So before seeing this quadratic equation, we'll discuss about what is meant by quadratic polynomial. Okay, so already we have studied about the polynomial. So we know how the polynomial will be having. So first we know that what is meant by linear polynomial. So the general form of linear polynomial is ax plus b, where a not is equal to 0 and a comma b are real numbers. So real numbers. So this is the linear polynomial. So based on this, for example, we can take the question like 5x plus 2, comma 3x minus 3. So these are the examples we can take for linear polynomial. So and here the power of x will be 1. The power of x will be 1. So because of that it is called as linear polynomial, and for this we will be getting what it is only one solution. So the next one is quadratic polynomial. So quadratic polynomial, the general form of quadratic polynomial is ax square plus bx plus c, where a not is equal to 0 and a comma b comma c are real numbers. So yeah, real numbers. So this already we have discussed in our grade 9. So this is the general form of quadratic polynomial. So based on this, now we will discuss about quadratic equation. Quadratic equation. So in the word here you can see that it is given equation. That means the quadratic equation will be equal to some value, that is 0. So here the general form of quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c, which is equal to 0, where a not is equal to 0. The same a comma b comma c are real numbers. Real numbers. Okay. And then here, for example, the power of the equation it should be 2. The power of equation it should be 2. So then the degree of the this quadratic equation is what it is 2. So because of that, we will use to say that this is a quadratic equation. For example, bx square plus 5x plus 6 is equal to 0, minus 2x square plus 4x plus 3 is equal to 0, x square plus 5 is equal to 0. So these are the examples we can take for quadratic equation. So when it is quadratic equation, it should be equal to 0. Okay. So first we have seen that what is the type of polynomial. Based on the polynomial, now we have discussed about what is meant by quadratic equation. So based on that, next we have a cubic polynomial like that. So but in this chapter we are going to discuss about quadratic equation. So and then we'll see that how to solve the quadratic equation and what are the types we are going to use for solving this quadratic equation. Okay. So before that, in this quadratic equation we'll be having some rule. So before seeing that rule, we'll see that what is mean the nature of roots. Nature of roots. So what is the meaning of nature of roots means? This is used to find that what type of solution will be getting for this quadratic equation. So when you are taking the quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c, which is equal to 0. So here you can see that the quadratic equation here we are having a power as 2. That means we will be getting two solutions for x. Okay, that we can use to say solution or as roots or as zeros, like that we can say. Okay, so this is the nature of roots. So for that we will be having a root, that is we will be using discriminant. So we'll be using discriminant. So discriminant b is equal to b square minus 4ac. So this is the rule to check whether what type of solution will be getting. That solution is called nature of roots. Okay. So we'll see the rule now. So general form and the condition, and then what type of solution will be getting. So this is the rule. This rule will help us to find what type of solution we will be getting here. So the general form is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So the condition is here we have to substitute the value behind, and then we have to check that if b is greater than 0, the discriminant value is greater than 0 means we will be getting two different roots. That means two different solutions. And then the same quadratic equation b is equal to 0. The next condition is b is equal to 0. After substituting the value of a, b, c here, we find the discriminant. When b value which is equal to 0 means we will get two equal roots. And then d which is less than 0 means we'll get no roots. So this is the condition of the quadratic equation, and based on the condition, what type of solution will be getting we solve here. So here the discriminant b is equal to b square minus 4ac. By using this discriminant, we come to know that when b is greater than 0, we get two different roots. D is equal to 0, two equal roots. D less than 0, no roots. Okay. This will be seeing the sums based on this when we solving the sums. Okay. Do you have any doubt on this? Fine. So next. So the next one is we find out check whether the following is a quadratic equation. So this is the next topic we are going to see here. So based on this topic, we are going to solve the sum. So these are the conditions based on the quadratic equation. First, you should know what is the general form of quadratic equation, and then the nature of roots. This nature of roots is important to find what type of solution we will be getting in this for the quadratic equation. Okay, and then based on this, we will be seeing that what type of sums we can use for solving this, what type of method we are going to use for this quadratic equation. Fine.